Alright, today we will be working on this Pegasus Sky. Yeah, so as you can see, Pegasus Sky. Alright, so it's steam, spray, burst, dry iron, model number Si0002, 110 volts / 50 hertz, 1000 watt, made in China. Alright, if you want to know the size fuse in this iron, all I need to do, divide the watt by the volt and you get your answer, right? So you divide this by that, you're supposed to get 9.0. so roughly basically a 10 amp fuse supposed in this. Alright, now the issue is that they said that it's not working in terms of it's not heating up, nothing. Alright, so I'm going to do some checks, step-by-step checks from the plug, go straight back into the iron, you will know. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is have the meter on ohms. Alright, and I'm going to check it, meter working. You put one in here and you put the next one here. Alright, don't make it touch, just rest it right through here and you turn the knob. Nothing. Alright, so what we're going to do now, we're going to check, pull the back of this iron, which is the screw that's here, and check from the plug to where it connects. Right, the checks that I'm doing by turning this knob and connect at both end here, I should get a reading, but I'm not getting it. So I'm going to pull here and check if there's any burn connection or right. So I'm going to let you see in a short while. So first I'm using a Phillips. Alright, unscrew it, remove the screw, take off that, put back the screw where I found it or where I take it from. Alright, this is how it looks. I'm going to remove this screw here, remove this also, remove that. Alright, put it back here so I won't lose it. Alright, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to check from here to these 2 points. Alright, so you can see the meters on that. One end is right here, so this is a neutral, so I'm going to check right here. Alright, I'm going to put it on one of these leads. Nothing there. Hold on, see if I get a good connection. Hold on, hold on. All right, so from here to here I get a reading, and from the live side to here I'm getting a reading. So from here to here is good. All right, so I'm going to remove all of these components. Let you see one by one. First, I'm going to lift off this. As you can see, remove this thing right here with the spring, set it one side, Alright, now I'm going to lift off this, remove that, pull this screw, alright, push this back, remove this, alright, remove this screw from here, and remove that. Put back the screw so I don't lose them. Alright, so now I'm going to remove 1, 2 screw. Remove this screw, remove this screw as well, and remove this, hold on, putting back the screws. Alright, putting back. So the next is to pull these 2 screws and these 2. Alright, so that is what I'm going to do now. Remove this screw, remove that, remove these 2 right here, take that out of the way, take that right off. Alright, alright, what I'm going to do, remove this screw and that screw as well, remove, I'm going to remove this, take this right off. Alright, to get inside the iron now, you pull this 2 screw right here and we should get to the fuse and the thermostat. Alright, so go ahead and pull these screws. Alright, come right off. Alright, so this is how it looks. Alright, so I'm going to do some checks. Stay tuned. Alright, so we're going to check the element. It is from here. Getting a good connection. Checking the thermostat now, which is this point to this point. Alright, here, turn the knob, nothing. Alright, we'll check the fuse now. So one leg of the fuse come here and the other come on the neutral leg. So check it, nothing. So therefore the thermal fuse and the thermostat blow. But right here the contact pin damage. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to use a different thermostat and change the fuse. The fuse that I will be using, which is this, you can see it. It's a 240C 10 amp at 250 volts. Alright, it rub off, so you won't see it properly. Alright, so this fuse here is good, as you can see. Fuse good. So I will be using this thermostat and this, but modification have to be done. If you notice the angle of these two legs right here and how this spreads out like this, modification would have to be done. Alright, so I'm going to show you that this thermostat is working right here to here. Alright, and if I had to turn the knob, alright, it off, on. Alright, I'll remove that. What I'm going to do, I'm going to unscrew this. Alright, yes, I'll go ahead and disconnect it already. So I'm removing the screws. Take off this. If you can see the contact damage up here. Alright, so I'm removing this, taking out the fuse, put this aside, and I'm going to do the same thing right here. Remove these screws because I don't want them here. Remove that, remove this, remove this as well. So if you notice, this is a good one, this is a bad one, and you can see the angle, so modification would have to be done to accommodate this. Alright, so what would have to happen, alright, like so. I don't think any modification would have to be done off right here, I'm not sure, but if I had to put the old one back and see how it works, I think it's okay based on how it looks. What do you think, guys? But anyways, I'm going to try this one and see how it works. Alright, yeah, so I didn't bother doing any modification. Once I fit it and it's okay, so I don't need to make a modification. So I went ahead, installed a new fuse. This is the donor that I get from the iron, and this is the defective one. Alright, so I'm going to test it, let you see it. Alright, so taking one end of these are the fuse, and this is coming from the thermostat, and turn on the meter, the ohms, as you can see, and then I'm going to turn the knob. Alright, see that? Working. Turn it off. Alright, so we're going to fit it up and then test it and let you see. Stay tuned. Alright, so there you go. Fuse connect. Just look down there, you see the contact pin, make a contact. See it? Make contact. Now it's open, Alright, so now I'm going to fit it up and let you see step by step. Alright, so went ahead, tighten up, fit up. So we're going to put on the rest of the body, which is this, and then let you see. Alright, shell go on. So the only thing leave is this to go on. These, this as well, and this with this little thing here. This little plastic with the spring is going right here. Alright, and then put on the back cover, and then it should test right away. Alright, so stay tuned. Alright, the iron is completely fit up. Alright, so alright, I'm going to turn the knob and you look on the meter. So this is what I'm talking about. Alright, alright, so now I'm going to plug it in and let you see for yourself. Alright, hold on. So alright, put the iron to stand up, socket, turn on, see, light turns on, light turns off. Alright, so thanks for watching. You know, please like, share, subscribe, and comment below on what you think on this fix. Alright, so alright.